Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the files you will change and protecting the originals. You should back up the preferences and theme files so you can revert if needed. Next, find Ableton's installation folder and your user library where themes live. This is where you will drop or edit skins. Once done, place your new ask or ini file in the correct folder so Ableton can read it. This avoids conflicts with default skins and keeps your workflow seamless. You now make the detailed changes that define the skin's look. Open the ask or ini in a reliable text editor and change color hex codes, image references, and UI keys with care. These values directly control Ableton's interface. Make incremental edits, save with distinct names, and reload Ableton between changes to test. Because small syntax errors break the theme, validate formatting, and keep a working copy. Once adjusted, you finish by installing and validating the skin inside Ableton. Restart the app and pick your new theme and preferences under Look or Theme. This confirms the visual changes. If elements are missing or colors fail, make sure you didn't break syntax. Revert to your backup and reapply changes one at a time. When Ableton refuses to load the skin, clear cache files or recopy theme assets into the exact folder. Troubleshooting like this isolates the fault and gets you back to a working UI quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.